Hello, I'm Aunt Tam of Just Ask Aunt Tam and the author of Not Good Enough, Childless by Circumstance, Four Steps to Letting Go and Moving Forward. The reason why so many women childless by circumstance fail to find a fulfilled life is because of their lack of self worth, the not good enough syndrome, in order to find their inner voice and live their purpose. What if I can show you a way to regain your self worth and live the life and serve others in a way that you were made to live? If that is something you want to happen in your life, then keep listening. All my life, since I was a little girl, playing with my dolls and playing house, I knew I was going to be a mother. I wanted to be a mother. However, I tried and failed 9 times using fertility drug shots. And the pain I felt, the sense of hopelessness, the despair, the unworthiness. And in the midst of all that, what I discovered was that there had to be more to life than the feeling of unworthiness for something out of my control. It allowed me to realize I am a mother and no one can take away my divine motherhood and my ability to love and mother myself and others. I want to show you no matter what you went through or what you lost and how bad you wanted to be a mother, you are completely whole, complete, and valuable, and that you can live a meaningful, powerful purpose and rich life. Because I have been on your journey, this training, I will show you the 4 steps of letting go and moving forward and allow you to authentically connect with your tribe and your audience and get clarity of what life has developed in you and your life code. If you want these results, then click the link and register for my upcoming free workshop, Women Childless by Circumstance in the Marketplace. After you register, follow the instructions to join my private Facebook group, Just Ask Aunt Tam, Wireless Women Childless by Circumstance in the Marketplace, to receive updates and download my free ebook. But when you are done with this process, you will know you can go for it and have an inner sense of knowing and the confidence that will allow you to stay on track and get the results you came for. I understand. I've been where you are. And if you really want to go for your dreams, if you really want to have the confidence and clarity to really go for it, then register for my upcoming workshop today. Click the link below. Look forward to seeing you on the other side, and until then, remember it is time to heal your heart and live your divine purpose. Have a great night.